we are.
Swimming already?
Yep.
Good. So we're going to do an experience with my new camera. It's an old camera. It's a Hasselblad. Ready for picture number one?
Mm-hmm.
And I have my new light meter. Which is pretty much first time playing on the light meter. So first, of course, you take your light meter, you turn on the power. I did already. Now I'm going to feed the information for the camera. The film I have here is a Polaroid. ISO 100. So you see here, can you see clearly?
Yeah.
ISO already feed the information in the computer 100.
Salud.
Right now, the test 125. It's a light day. It's clear. There's some cloud, but it's clear. It's okay.
Here I am.
I'll take it off the top, the cap.
Yes.
The top cap of my camera. 1,000 baht. I got the light meter with the little clitoris pointing to me, pointing to the lens of the camera. So 125, all information match with the camera. I go near Daniel Passer, which is you, and I read the light. Let's see. Okay, it's asking 6.6. So I'm going to do as fast as possible because the cloud's moving. It can change pretty fast. Da 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 da. 6.6. Oh, it's already kind of there.
Those goggles are pretty great. I love it.
Now I'm going to take a picture. Oh shit, I'll open the visor, of course. Focus. Okay, I get ready for that. And I want to show the picture. Oh shit. Oh, what happened? It's not working. Ready for picture number one? It's not working. No way. Oh, of course, you gotta take the protection.
Yes.
After 2 beers, it's really hard to work with vintage cameras. So you take this. This is for the protection of your film.
It's like a camera condom.
Exactly. I received a message on my iPhone. I got an iPhone. It's not working.
What happened?
This little thing here, T and 0.
Yeah.
If you keep it open, you keep the curtain open all the time. So, and now you do is a Polaroid. So you take this little paper off, and you take the Polaroid, let it rest for a minute. You know why we have to do that in Polaroid film? Nobody really knows, but a lot of people does it. So you just do it. You probably just make it worse. And prepare for the surprise. Really nice. Pretty. Oh.
Oh, it's cool.
Pretty nice, huh?
That's awesome.